Hello friends, welcome to the How To channel. Today we are going to get acquainted with how to take a screenshot in Windows 10. In this video, 3 types of screenshots can be taken very easily. Try watching the whole video to know how it works. Before entering the video, if you are watching the videos of this channel for the first time, then subscribe now and press the bell icon. Then you will get the notification of new useful videos that I will upload. So after a short intro, let's get into the video. So friends, for the first time, we are doing a very simple method to take screenshot in Windows 10. Let's see how to do it by watching this video. We can take a screenshot in Windows 10 by pressing a button on our keyboard. This print screen button is the button on the right side next to the F12 button on the keyboard. If we click on that button, a pop-up window will open, in which there are 4 types of screenshot options. Before we see what it is, if this snip and sketch pop-up window does not appear when you click the print screen button on your computer, let's see how to fix it. To enable this option, first open your settings. Then click on the search bar and when you type print, secondly select the option that shows the suggestion, use the print screen key to launch screen snipping. Below an option called Print Screen Shortcut you will see a small on-off button. Make sure it is on. Okay friends, now this is correct. Now let's see what these 3 types of screenshot are. Here there are 4 options in which there are 3 most important options and a normal screenshot option. First is rectangular snip, second is freeform snip, third is window snip and fourth is full screen snip. Now let's get to know each option clearly. The first one is rectangular snip. By clicking on this option, you can draw a rectangle and the part inside it can be saved as an image very easily. Whenever we release the mouse key, the image will be processed. But if you want to save it, click on this pop-up image notification and after clicking on the save button shown above, select the folder where you want to save it and then save it by renaming it. Secondly, let's get acquainted with the freeform snip tool. By clicking on this option, we can draw a desired part in a desired shape and save it as an image. Thirdly, the window snip tool is going to be introduced. By clicking on this option, which window we want to capture, just click on that window. You can easily save that window as an image. Hope you found this video helpful. More useful videos like this will be uploaded on this channel. If you like this video, please like it now. If you are watching videos on this channel for the first time, please subscribe to the channel and press the bell button next to it. Then you will be notified of new videos that I upload. It is obtained.